In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can switch row to column in Microsoft Excel. For this, you are showing that there is some data of monthly sale. We want to switch this into column or rows. To do this, first of all, you need to select all the values. Then click the right button of your mouse. Then copy. And select a cell where you want to paste this value. We are selecting the cell and then click right button of your mouse, then paste specials. Here is an option, you can see this is paste special. Click here, and now here there is an option which is transpose. Check this transpose and click OK. Look, the cell values has been switched between rows and column. This is the easiest way to switch these values. Mind it, this is not a dynamic way. If you change here, this will not change there. This is a static way. So be careful for this. Thank you for watching the video.